How to add server stats on Discord in Trinity 5. So first of all, you have to log into your Discord app or the web browser, and you just have to log into your Discord. And after that, you have to search for another tab and then search for serverstats.bot, this website. And after that, you just have to simply click on invite bot from here. And after clicking on invite bot, it will want to add the server stats app to your Discord. So you just have to click on test server and click on continue and give all the permissions it needs and click on authorize. And you have to just confirm you're not a robot and select the captcha. And after that, you can go to the Discord and you can go to your test server from here. And then you can see the server stats is already added to your server. So now for setuping the server, you just have to click on slash and type counter create. As you can see, you just have to click on the counter create from here, and you can see there are multiple options here that like members and bots, and members only, bots only, pending members, and everything. So you can click on the members without any roles, and members without any roles, you can just click on the channel and voice channels. You can click on voice channels, and now you can just click on simply enter. And now you can see that server stats is thinking the bot has turned the member without any roles counter on as a voice channel. So now you can just click on the settings from here. You can see the overview and the permissions given. You can just click on the private channel option and you can make your channel private from here. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.